Want to cancel your Walmart Family Mobile service? Here's how. First, you can initiate the cancellation either through the Walmart app or on their website by logging in and navigating to Account, then Plan Management, and selecting Cancel Service. Alternatively, you can call their customer support line at 1-800-925-6278. Be prepared to provide your account details for verification purposes. If you want to keep your phone number, make sure to request a port out during the cancellation process. You'll need your account number, the last 4 digits of your SIM card, and a PIN which you can get from customer service. According to the FCC's 2025 portability rules, this transfer should take place within 1 to 2 business days, and sometimes even as little as 2 hours, though delays can occur if there are verification issues with your new carrier. After canceling, you'll receive a final bill, usually within 24 to 48 hours. This will include any unpaid service fees, overage charges, or device payment balances. You can pay this via the app, website, or over the phone. Unused prepaid balances are typically refunded to your original payment method within 7 to 14 business days after cancellation. Note that you won't receive refunds for partial months or activation fees. Also, be aware that porting your number before settling your final bill can lead to service interruptions or even denial of the port. As of 2025, early termination fees apply only if you are under contract, up to $50. But thankfully, standard prepaid plans don't have these. Finally, always document your communications with Walmart Family Mobile, as this will be useful if any issues with your refund arise. In fact, user satisfaction scores average 4.25 for cancellations, with quick support as a positive and occasional app glitches as a negative.